John Long Silver Rails here. Today, in this video, I'd like to show some of the HO things I picked up at the train show in Pensacola, as well as some of the things that came out of that box of trains we unboxed 2 videos ago. And then the second part of the video will show you the Lionel stuff. Now I got this, well, let's start with the one on the rails. This little electromotive Athearn locomotive, I paid about $20–25 for it. It was an absolute mess. I had a hard time getting it to run, but now it's all taken care of. The 3 pulpwood cars I picked up at the show. The Southern caboose is one that came out of that box that we paid about $44 for. I'm very pleased with this. This electromotive is just a beautiful locomotive. It's missing the horns, so I have to try to find some horns for it to go on the roof. In addition to getting this at the show, I picked this up. This is an FA locomotive. FA1, I think, freight. I don't know who made it. It doesn't say on the bottom, but it runs great. Once again, it's missing the horns. But it does run just fine. I haven't had to do anything with it. Too bad it doesn't have a manufacturer to identify its make. And then I picked up, this one has KD couplers, so I can't hook it up to this train set. This nice Athearn F7 or whatever it is, missing 1 horn and 1 step. And somebody put some of the parts of the detailing kit on it, so it's very nice, and it runs good. All these were inexpensive locomotives, and that's why I got them. Now, as to that box, we had this very weathered AHM, Illinois Central. Right now, I have put a Seaboard Coastline top on the chassis or frame that came with this. I'm not crazy about heavy weathering, and I had this perfect top of a sea liner. That's what I think it is anyway. But I didn't have a good mechanism for it, so now the two come together and it's very nice. I put a windshield in it to dress it up a little bit. I'm very happy with it. Now in that box, this was a disaster. It cleaned up really nice. It's all been refreshed and it's operating great. It's a Mikado 210-2 by Mantua Tyco, I believe. Or maybe just Mantua, I don't know when they merged. Off the track, in spite of my effort there. The pilot's off. And you notice over there didn't put it on. But it's, you can see it runs good, even if it is off the track. Now this was a Fleischmann. And you can see this tender doesn't go with it. I found a tender to use with it because it didn't come with one. The tender's a little small for the big steam engine. I think it's a Pacific, but it runs great. So we're gonna go, if I can get it on the track. I have a little trouble getting the side rocks to adjust properly on it, tighten down. I may have to use some Loctite on them. We'll see how it does. And then this came in that box. A 480 old-time steam engine. It says Denver and Rio Grande. It's kind of bright colors. Surprisingly, after servicing, it works. It's not on the track or something, or it doesn't like the. Well, it looks like I need to work on it some more. It was running fine. Now it's not. Isn't that always the way it is? Now what I like about these, they're Tyco, but that's Southern. They're all different. This one's Great Northern, dark green with a black frame. This is a medium green with a green frame. So I picked up these three, the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. And I like them too, they're pretty cool. This is from a previous Pensacola show the year before. It's a Gilbert. I took a chance on it. It was like $30, $35 for the whole set. I'm not going to put the whole set on the track, but I'll show you. The Gilbert passenger cars with their illumination system are really nice. They have very nice setup for the lighting inside the cars. Then I picked this up somewhere, can't even remember now. It didn't come in that box. I don't know where I got it, but it had to be repaired. So there it is. Tyco. Got this at the train show, Pennsylvania. It's I think it's a Mantua. It has a MU1 motor with the rivets. It doesn't say Mantua on it. That's what I think it is. And it runs well. My son picked this up at a Goodwill or somewhere. No tender with it. No idea. I'm not sure who made it. I can't read it. It's so small under there. But at any rate, it smokes and it runs. I think it's a Tyco, I'm not sure. And this one here is a Tyco, and it's a beauty. I got it off eBay cheap. I took a chance on it. It gave me a little trouble at first, but now it runs. Maybe it's San Francisco. I'm very happy with it. So there's other freight cars and things I got, mainly Tyco. It was a good show. Now we're upstairs where my Lionel layout is. This is the Berkshire that came out of that box with the tender that came with it. All I had to do was clean it up. It's a beautiful running train, as you can see. The smoke unit works, the whistle works. It's pulling the freight cars that it came with. And those freight cars were very dirty and needed a lot of cleaning up, but they're very old. Late 40s, maybe from 46 on. This double door car here is quite an interesting old car, very old. Every one of these is really old. This is the caboose they had that really has all the details on it. The ladder, the toolbox, it's lighted, the whole 9 yards. It's a beautiful caboose. Also, at the train show, I got this car that carries the gold, and I got these two cars here for $15 each. This was 10 or 15. This one here was free from a friend because it came in pieces. It's the Coyote chasing the Roadrunner. And this one here is a K-line that I picked up. I really like these feather cars. Rides like a feather. I bought this. It's the first thing I bought, actually. It's all die cast. It has a later Lionel motor in it that somebody put in it. They put on this coupler and it's missing the cow catcher on this end. I don't know who made this locomotive, but it runs like a champ, believe it or not. It's really an interesting locomotive. See if it'll pull this consist. I'll probably repaint it and try to make it look even better. But I like old custom things like this. This is the kind of thing I do, so somebody beat me to this one probably years ago. Look at that. Isn't that something? That is a neat thing. Got some dirty track over there, unfortunately. It's always the case, it seems. And we're off the track too. And then the rest of what I got at the train show, the San Diego giraffe car, San Diego Zoo. Well, I had a box of marks that we wanted to get rid of, and I paid a very low price for these cars. I don't know, 15, 20, 25, I can't remember. This one was defective. Plastic partly melted, so I just took it off and painted it. The caboose, and these are the cars. They all came in that one deal. So that was what I did at the show and the fun I had. The Pensacola show is well worth attending. The next one up is the Tallahassee show in June. It might be the 28th or something like that. You can look it up. I hope some of you will be there. John Long Silver Rails out.